half.
Half.
And then another half.
And another.
Another half.
What? Huh? I don't know how to do that. And then...
Hindi. Okay?
Ano going, Jacob?
Ano ba?
You can do it thrice. If you not do it half. And then try to pinch it so that it will flat.
Are you happy?
Will flatten.
Yeah.
Hold in the center.
Wait a second.
And then like this. And then
What
this.
a magic.
Huh?
Look.
I did it.
Did it? And then the other side.
I can
Hold
hold
the
it.
other side. Opposite. The opposite.
Which one? This one? This one?